is Mapledale and Dale Boulevard, and you can see it's just a sheet of ice down here. At least up there, going, because this is the way we go to get to Oneka's, up there, it's not packed down like it was with the last storm. Packed ice and snow. They canceled school Friday last week when it started snowing, and then canceled school today, Monday, and then they canceled school for tomorrow and for Wednesday. And then with the snow we're supposed to get Tuesday to Wednesday, they're probably going to cancel school Thursday and Friday. And there's a car spinning out. We're going to have to make up several days of school. Oh, we just went off the ice ledge. We get these big sunny days. It's cold, but we get these sunny days and it all melts and gets slushy and stuff, and then it all refreezes overnight, and then it's a real mess. See what Oneka Street looks like. Not too bad right there. Actually, it looks like it's all the way down to the blacktop over there. I have a doctor's appointment. Well, I was supposed to have it today, but the office was closed, and the doctor called, and she is going to have me come in. Well, this is lovely. This is like, what, 1.5 cars width. She's going to have me come in tomorrow for my appointment, and so I'm going to have to drop Andrew off at Oneka's, and I text messaged her and asked her if she would come out and get him, so I don't have to get out of the car and walk in this horrible mess. Oh my goodness. Enough room for 2 cars. Just barely. And then they don't have laws around here about, well, first of all, this neighborhood does not have sidewalks, so that's the first thing. But around here they don't have laws about cleaning off the sidewalks so people can walk on them like they do up in Buffalo. So you got people walking out in the street, and you got to share the road with the cars, and it's pretty scary. And then they don't have parking rules that you have to follow like they do in Buffalo, like alternate street side parking and stuff like that. So the only rules they have are not parking on the emergency plow paths roads. So that creates a problem, because then you get cars that are buried like this one in the snow. And the plows that come down the roads, I know the ones that come down by our house are just little pickup trucks with sand and salt things in the back of the bed of them. And I mean, they're not going to get anywhere close to the sides of the roads. They're just clearing a path down the middle. And but if we were in Buffalo and that car was there buried like that, it'd get hit by one of those plows, and the plow would just keep on going. But pretty crazy around here right now.